of civil engineering, where the latest technology is transforming the way we design, build, and maintain our infrastructure. Join us as we explore the cutting edge tools that are shaping the industry. One of the most significant advancements in civil engineering is the use of advanced 3D modeling software. Engineers now have the power to create highly detailed virtual representations of their projects. This technology enables engineers to simulate and analyze structures with incredible accuracy, allowing them to identify potential design flaws or weaknesses before construction even begins. Another groundbreaking technology making its mark in civil engineering is the use of drones. These unmanned aerial vehicles offer a unique perspective, providing high-resolution aerial imaging and surveying capabilities. Drones can quickly and efficiently capture data, allowing engineers to monitor construction progress, assess site conditions, and conduct inspections with greater speed and accuracy than ever before. Augmented reality, or AR, is also revolutionizing the field of civil engineering. By overlaying digital information onto the real world, engineers can visualize complex designs and construction sequences in real time. AR enhances communication and collaboration among team members, making it easier to coordinate tasks, detect clashes, and ensure that construction aligns perfectly with the design. Telematics, a fusion of telecommunications and informatics, is empowering construction companies to optimize their operations and increase efficiency. Through the use of sensors and GPS technology, telematics enables real-time tracking of construction equipment, monitoring of fuel consumption, and predictive maintenance, resulting in improved productivity and reduced costs. Robotic technology is also making its presence felt in civil engineering, particularly in the realm of prefabrication and assembly. Robots can perform repetitive and labor-intensive tasks with precision and speed, leading to faster construction times, higher quality outputs, and enhanced worker safety. From advanced 3D modeling and drones to augmented reality, telematics, and robotics, the latest technologies are propelling the field of civil engineering into the future. As these innovations continue to evolve, we can expect even greater advancements and a world built with unprecedented efficiency and precision.